G'day guys, Simon here from Rawley's Lake Make Fishing Adventures. Well, obviously not very good conditions outside for fishing at all, especially out the boat. Flogging down rain, very windy. So I thought I'd put a video together. This video was taken about 2 months ago, well before I even decided to get into making a few videos and so forth and chucking them on YouTube. I was out at Swansea Heads near Moon Island fishing for some whaler sharks, which are bloody beautiful to eat. If you haven't tried them, give them a try. You know, with the balloon out the back, wire trace on and so forth. And I hooked on, well, in my books, my prize fish. I caught a 1.2 metre long cobia. I didn't weigh it, I reckon roughly 15, 20 kilo. Pretty bloody heavy. I struggled to lift it up. It was a good 20-minute fight, but actually I forgot I got some footage for the last 5-6 minutes of it just with my iPhone. I put it down at the back of the boat. You'll hear me mentioning one of my mates' names, Camo. It was a video for him to send to him and show it, because he calls me the fish whisperer, so I thought I'd send him and make a video while I was fighting it, and luckily I got the fish in, and guys, I was buggered by the end of it. Without a doubt, the best fish I've caught. So anyway, enough of me talking. I'm going to whack the video on there and a few photos. On that day, I caught a couple of whaler sharks and went squidding. Caught some monstrous squid, but I'll chuck some photos on the end, and I hope you like it and I hope you enjoy it. And stay safe out there. Pretty terrible weather. Cheers, guys.
I've been fighting him for about 20 minutes. My arms hurt. But it's fun. And he's taken about 200 metres of line, and I'm just trying to get him in as quick as I can. Oh. Got the big pen 850. She's getting the work out. Camo, I'm sweating. My arms, man, and that's sore. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Woo. Oh. Oh. Finally getting some line back on him. Oh. Get the gaff out ready. There it is, Camo. The gaff. The gaff ready. Oh. Oh. Hard work out here at sea. Cobia. Oh, big cobia, camo on a shark. Baby. There he is, Camo. Big cobia. Big cobia. Yeah. Oh. Oh.